Good morning, student. Today topic working with the files. Working with the files. So today we handle the huge amount of data to perform the various operations. But we need to store memory for the data. Okay, at the purpose we are using the secondary devices. It's called floppy disk and hard disk is need to store large volume of data. Okay, so what are the data stored in the secondary devices? That data, suppose we want to handle with using of files. So the large amount of data handled with using of files. What is mean by files? The file is a collection of related data. The file has a collection of related data. The data, everything is stored on a particular area on the disk. Okay, so large amount of data is everything stored in a file. That file is nothing but one of the location on the disk space. One of the location on the disk space. So the location on the disk space is given one name. That name is called the file name. Suppose I give the file name. Suppose student.date. Student.date. So this is student is a file name. The date is the extension of the file. So the extension of the file is nothing but the student is a what type of file? Is a data file or text file or HTML file or C file or CPP, C++ file. So the extension is indicating what kind of file. Okay, what type of file. Okay, the student is the file name. So the file name has the two portion. First portion is called file name. The second portion is called file extension. Okay, right. So the file is nothing but a collection of related data stored in a particular area in the given disk. The disk may be a floppy disk or hard disk, or suppose now we are using the pen drive. Is it anything? Okay, is it supported that? Okay, right. Here the file operation is performed in two ways. One is called reading a file, another one is called writing a file. Okay, first the reading a file and writing a file. So these are the two operations is performed in the file, read operation and write operation. Okay, right. So everything is through how to access the file through the program. Okay, how to access the file through the program. So the program is communicated in two ways. That is mean by communication. Okay, the communication. The program communication in two types. The first communication is nothing but is a communication in between the console unit and the program. Console unit and program. In last classes we seen the get function, put function and cin function, cout functions. Is everything is related program and standard input and output devices. So that is mean by IO console. So IO console unit program one type of communications. So another type of communication is nothing but program and disk files. Another type of communication is in between the program and disk file. So suppose we are using the files. So second type of communication we need the data to retrieval and the data store. Okay. So the file is nothing but a collection of data. Okay, collection of related data. The data is stored in a particular place on the disk. So there is a location on the disk. The particular location is named, that is mean by file name. So what type of file name is nothing but the extension of the file. File streams. File stream. Here we want to handle that file. We are using commonly two streams. You already know C++ stream classes. C++ stream classes, that is mean by IOS. IOS is divided I stream and O stream and IO stream and I buffer stream. Like that, here also we have the file stream. So normally here we are using the two file stream. One is called OF stream, another one is called IF stream. Okay, OIF stream and IF stream. OIF stream is the output stream. the output stream is used to write the data to the file. Output stream is used to write the data to the file. At the same time, IF stream is nothing but an input stream. The input stream is used to read data from the file. The file is already stored in the disk. Okay, the file is already stored in the disk. So here we are using the OF stream. OF stream is used for write the data to the file, and the IF stream read data from the file. Okay, at the same time, the OF stream and IF stream separately are using. Suppose I want to combine together. At the time we are using the F stream. So the F stream is included the OF stream and the IF stream. Next, this is called file input output stream. This is called file input output stream structure. Here the program is there. The program is getting the data from keyboard. The data is stored. The output stream. Output stream is write the data to the disk file. Then read the data from disk file. It stores the input stream. Then the input is sent to the program input. So once you store the data to the file, then only we read the data from that file. So it's a reverse process. First, in previous case IO console, first we getting the input from the keyboard, then processing data, then we display the output to the monitor. But in this file system, first we want to store the information, that is meant by data. The data must store in a particular file with using of output stream. Then once stored in the data in a file, then only we using the input stream, reading the data from that file and using the data into the program, you getting the output. The output of this program, it may be stored in another file or same file, and it also display the monitor. Okay, this is a user requirement. Suppose we want output in the monitor, you directly display the monitor. Otherwise, it's stored in the another file or same file which already created or now created. Like C++ stream classes, we are also using the file stream classes. The file stream classes, file classes for file stream operations. You already told the program communication in two types. One is first way, one communication, program to IO console. The another type of communication is nothing but program and disk file. In previous program, everything with using of IO stream, that is mean by has include IO stream.h. So standard input output stream file. What are the things is done using of IO stream file? The data, everything is erased whenever we closing the program. Okay, at the time of we close that or terminate the program, what are the variables created, what are the data stored at variable, that everything is erased with using of IO console and the program. The data is not permanent. Okay, suppose I want to store the data is permanently, at the time we are using the F stream. That is mean by the program and disk file communication. That is the second type of communication with the program and the file system. Okay, right? In iOS classes, we already seen iStream, OStream, then stream buffer. The stream buffer is creating the buffer for input-output operations. The iStream for input stream, OStream for output stream. Then iOStream is combined together. For the same, here we are using the FStream base. So the FStream is a base class. From that FStream base class, we derived three classes. The IF stream is one of the derived class, F stream is one of the derived class, and O stream, OF stream is one of the derived class. So IF stream is used for, what is that? Reading the input from that file. OF stream is used for write the data to that file. Then the F stream is both purpose. So input, that is mean by read and write the file. The purpose we are using the F stream. And also the byte file buffer. This is also using the buffer creation at the time of file operation. For the purpose we are using the file buffer. So this structure is called file stream classes. This structure is called file stream classes. Okay. Here the F stream, OF stream, F stream is everything is a derived class from F stream base class. What are the steps involved of the file operation? What are the steps involved of the file operation? First, we choose the suitable file name. Okay, so suitable name of the file. The second, data type and the structure. So what type of files we can create? Okay, what type of files? Is there character files or integer byte or binary files? So data type and the structure is very important. Next, purpose. The file is using in what purpose? Okay, is one for reading purpose or writing purpose, or both reading and writing purpose. So purpose of the file. Then finally, it's very important things. The opening method of the file. The opening method of the file. How to open that file? How to open that file? The file is opened in two ways. One, with using of constructor. With using of constructor function, you open the file. Another method is called using the member function open. Member function open. So open is a function. Open is a function. Okay, the member function of the F stream classes. Member function of the F stream classes. We already discussed that file buffer, F stream base, IF stream, OF stream, F stream is everything is called file stream classes. Everything is called file stream classes. The file buffer, it is the purpose to set the file buffer to read and write operation. To set the file buffer for read and write operation. At the time we are using the file buffer. Next, this is called F stream base. This is called F stream base. It provides the output operation. It provides the operation for input output operation. That is meant by common operation. So this is called F stream base. Next, IF stream. IF stream, it provides the input operation. Input operations like that. What are that? Get line. At the same time, read. Okay. Tell G, seek G. These are the functions using the IF stream classes. Next, OF stream classes is provide the output operation. It's provide the output operation. Here we are using the function is called seek P, tell P, put write functions is everything is using in the OF stream classes. Next, F stream classes. The F stream classes are used for simultaneously you perform the input output operation for a file, or simultaneously perform the input output operation for a different files. Same file or different file, at the time you are using the F stream classes, you perform the input output operation simultaneously. Okay, in this way we follow the files of file name will be created. Okay, the suitable file name is necessary. Then what type of data type and what type of data structures we are using. Next, purpose of the file is reading or writing purpose. Then how to open that file. The file is open with using of constructor, or the file is open with using of open method or open function. File opening methods. Okay, here using two type of method to opening a file. One is called using the constructor of the class. Okay, we are using the constructor of the class. Constructor function using to open the file. You already know what is mean by constructor function. Whenever we initializing the object, at the time the constructor function is automatically invoked. So whenever we creating the object, at the time the constructor function automatically invoked. So that is the concept of constructor. The second method is called using the member function open. The member function open of the class. Member function open of the class. This is a two type of opening method, file opening method using in C++. Okay, the first method is using of constructor. So that is mean by constructed methods. So okay, syntax of the constructed method: file stream classes, object name, then file name. File stream classes, object name, and file name. Okay, right. Example: the OIF stream. OIF stream is a stream class. OIF stream that it is only used for output stream. Output stream is nothing but a writing purpose. What is the purpose we are using the output stream? It is only for writing the purpose. Writing purpose. So OIF stream writing purpose. That file is called out file. Okay, this is the object. Okay, file object. Object name is out file. Then file name is student.date. Student is the file name. Date is the extension of the file. That is mean by data file. Okay, right. So here this is a constructor function. So OIF stream, there's object name, out file. The object is created at the time the file is automatically created for the writing purpose. Because here we created for OIF stream. OIF stream classes. So OIF stream out file, then student.date. Okay, this is a one parameter. That is one argument. Another argument is there. Suppose another argument is there. That argument is called what purpose the file will be open, for input purpose or output purpose. Okay. So the second argument is called purpose. Okay. In what purpose the file will be open? Is defaultly the OIF stream is used for writing purpose. Upon here the second argument defaultly for iOS : out. iOS : out. iOS : out. So the out is called writing purpose. Okay, for writing purpose. So suppose this iOS : out not kudukonu avashyam illa. Okay, because is defaultly the iOS : out it present defaultly. Okay, right. Next, second one is IF stream. IF stream for input purpose. Okay, the IF stream is a file stream class. In file is the object name. So the same file will be open for reading. So at the time of out file object is created, some data will be stored in the student file. So the student file is open in reading mode. So here also the default key is the reading mode is called iOS : in. Okay, iOS : in. iOS : in is used for reading mode. Okay, so OIF stream is used for writing. IF stream is used for reading. So once you open the file in writing mode, everything is writing into the file. Okay, then you must close that file. Out file dot close. Then only we open the IF stream file in file for reading purpose. So reading the data from the student file. After completing the reading operation, you must close in file. So before open the IF stream, you must close out file. Close. Okay. After complete the reading operation, you present the in file close. Okay. Then only is ready for another purpose. So this is the first method we are using to creating the file, files with the using of constructed function. The example for opening a file with using of constructor. Example for opening a file with using of constructor. Okay, here we already know what is it. Include IOStream.h, the standard input output purpose. Then you include the fstream.h. This is very important with using a file concept. So you must include fstream.h as one of the header file. Okay. Then we creating a argument. We creating one character variable that is called name. Okay. Then open a file to the writing mode. Opening a file with the writing mode. So OFstream, the object is out file. The file name is student.date. Okay, right? Open the file in writing mode. Writing mode. So we are getting a data from keyboard C in name. Okay, after getting that name, the name must be stored into the file. Okay, the name must be stored into the file. That purpose we are using that out file. Using that out file. This is called the insertion operation. So insert the name to out file. Insert the name to out file. So once you getting the name, okay, once you getting that is with the extract from the keyboard, then that name is inserted to the out file. Okay, what is the out file? Student.date is the out file. So the name stored to student.data. Okay. After complete the writing operation, you must close that file. Output file dot close. In using of member function, close. You must close that file. Okay. Why we close that file? Once we close that file, then only that file will be open for another purpose. The file will be open for another purpose. First we disconnect the operation from the output file. Then only we made the connection to in file. Okay, so first we disconnect, discharge from output file. Then only you connect the same file to the input file. Okay, right? So once we store the name, suppose I give only input Nirmal. Okay, so Nirmal. The name is the Nirmal. The name is stored in the student.data. Then we creating the file for reading purpose. So okay. If IFstream in file, the same file name student.date. Okay, here we already stored the name in the file student.date. So from that we extract the value. From that we extract the value. So in file, what is the mean by in file? In file is nothing but student.date. Student.date நம்ம என்ன செய்வோம் அந்த நேம் வந்து என்ன பண்றோம் எக்ஸ்ட்ராக்ட் பண்றோம். So here we extract that name. So Nirmal is stored in the name. Then the name will be present in the standard output. So cout name. So monitor என்ன செய்யும் name Nirmal அப்படின்னு print ஆகும். Okay, after completing the process, reading process, you must close the file. In file dot close with using of close function. In file dot close using of close function. So this is the example for opening a file in read mode and access the file using of read and write mode. After completing the process, we terminate the file. That's it. Another way of file opening method with using of member function, open member function, we can open a file streams. Okay, here. What purpose? What purpose we open a file with using of member function open? Okay, open a multiple file using same stream object. Suppose I want more than one file at a time opening for the manipulation purpose. So we need more than one file for the same stream object. So for that purpose, we are using the open function. At the same set of file handling sequence. So set of file handling the sequence. So main use of open function. So you opening a multiple file with using of stream object. At the same time, set up multiple file working with sequentially. So there is two reasons you opening a file with using of number function open. Okay, right. Syntax: file stream class, then stream object. File stream class, then stream object. You already know what are the file stream classes. OF stream, IF stream, and F stream is called the file stream classes. Then stream object. Stream object is nothing but a in file, out file. Okay, the stream object, anything. Okay. So stream. Then the second step, stream object dot open file name. Stream object dot open file name. Okay. Example: opening a file with using a open function. So it main. Here we are using open a file with output mode OF stream. OF stream F out. The F out is nothing but a stream object. OF stream is a file stream class. So OF stream F out. Then stream object is a F out dot open. File name is country. File name is country. Okay, file name is country. Here we are writing that this is called the stream object. So this is a stream object. Through that object, you are writing a content to the country file. Okay, writing a content to the country file. Okay, file is a country. File name is a country. Suppose I want to write the information to the country file through the stream object. That is meant by F out. Okay, here we insert three countries: India, US, UK, with using of insertion operation to F out. F out is nothing but a stream object. So through the stream object, you write the content India, US, UK to country file. Okay. After writing this, you must close F out. F out dot close. F out dot close. So here we open the file country. Here we close the file country. So once we close the file country, the F out is disconnected from the country file. F out is disconnected from the country file. So on the stream object on the particular handling from the file disconnect that is mean by F close. Second, we using the same F out stream object, we open the another file is called the capital. We open the another file is called the capital. Okay, right. This is not possible for constructed function. This is not possible for opening a file with using a constructed function. It's only possible with using a number function open. Okay, here we open the file country. Once you close that file, again the same stream object is using to open the another file. The file name is called the capital. Okay, right. In capital, the capital file in Delhi, that is meant by capital of India. Delhi, capital of India is Washington, capital of UK, that is London. So the content write to capital file through F out stream object. F out stream object. So after you enter the content to the capital through stream object F out, you must close that. Okay. Now the file is ready for reading. Once we write the content to that file, after closing that file, the file is ready for reading purpose. Okay, this is a writing purpose. Then next step, read the file. Reading purpose. The file is open for reading.